Hey all, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today I have come to do Meruthi Gudda Hill trek. Meruthi Gudda Hill trek is in Kudremukh region of Karnataka. So right now I'm at Meruthi Gudda Homestay. So this morning we reached around 6 a.m. At the Hornadu bus stop. So we started overnight from Bengaluru yesterday night, and it took around 7 to 8 hours to come to Hornadu. So the bus stopped right at the Hornadu temple. So there's a Annapurneshwari temple there, and that's where the bus stopped. And from there we took an auto and came to this homestay. So as you can see, the moment we reached here, it has been raining, and it is drizzling all through this time, and in between it rained heavily as well for a period of 5 to 10 minutes. So I guess today's trek would be in complete rain, and I hope it just drizzles and not heavy rain, and I'm also hoping that we get some view from the top. Otherwise it would be mostly foggy and rainy and so on. So I hope the sun comes out sometime of the day by the time we reach the summit, so that we get some view of the surrounding hills and mountains. So just look at the view here. So coffee estate everywhere, so beautiful, and the homestay looks beautiful as well. So a lot of cars here. So these guys also have come to do this Meruthi Gudda hill trek. Just a close-up view of the Meruthi Gudda homestay. Meruthi Gudda hill trek is considered to be one of the easier trek around this region, and it's not that popular as well among the trekkers. So that's why I am hoping that I'll not be seeing too many trekkers today who would be doing the summit to this mountain today. So in a way that helps, because it will not be crowded, and you can do this trek in a relaxed manner. So the main reason why we selected this homestay was this is on the way to the Meruthi Gudda hill trek. So you have to reach to this place and then proceed further to the actual trek starting point. So that's the forest checkpost, where they will check your booking and basically your ID, and allow you to the trek. So time is now 8 a.m. We have done with our breakfast. We have packed lunch in lunch box, which we are going to have at the Meruthi Gudda summit, and we start our trek right from the Meruthi Gudda homestay. So from here we could have taken a off-road jeep which would have taken us to the forest guard checkpost, but we have decided to walk, as it doesn't harm to walk until there. By the time you go there, you get some exercise, your heartbeat goes into good pace, and we can start the trek with proper conditioning of the body. So right now I'm walking in the campus of the homestay, and just in a second I'll be out of the homestay and on the main road. So there's the Meruthi Gudda homestay board. Hope you can see in the camera. And this road goes downhill. You shouldn't take this road, but you have to take this road which goes uphill. So in this road you have to walk 1 kilometer to reach the forest guard checkpost. So we walk along the road adjacent to coffee and pepper plantation. We have walked 5 to 10 minutes now, still climbing this road. It's all uphill. So there's the mountain which you can see there. Here you can see there seems to be a landslide and the whole chunk of red soil has come down onto the road. Nothing big, but slight landslide here. View is getting opened up here, and I hope as we keep climbing up we keep getting good views. I'm also hoping the sun comes out for some time at least, so that we can get the views of the surrounding hill mountains. The weather is amazing. It's just drizzling, which is perfect for a rain trek. I hope it doesn't pour heavily, because that adds its own challenges and it causes difficulty in recording as well. Drizzle is good for me. So a lot of trees have been cut down and logs are lying here. There seems to be some landslide here as well, or they have removed the soil intentionally. So here the road curves a little bit on the left side, so we have to take this road and keep walking. I can see a local villager. And now I'm going through pretty dense greenery on both left and right towards me. There's some cool blue purple flower. I don't know the name of the flower. So the intensity of the rain has increased now. Better ठीक है अलग Merthi Gudda के. Oh, thank you. So I just met a school girl. Not sure if she has completed the school and going back to home, or she's in a break. So it's pouring now. The road takes a curve here again, and you see pretty cool pink color temple, I guess. Wow, it looks so cool. And here you need to follow the road. There's a cool looking orange jeep there. That's a pretty cool looking orange jeep. still walking along this tar road to reach the forest guard checkpost. It has been constantly drizzling and pouring, drizzling and pouring. So that's the sequence which is being followed in terms of the rain here. And the forest checkpost doesn't seem to come at all. So we are wearing ponchos, that's protecting us, but at the same time, because ponchos are not that air breather friendly, it's making us hot from inside. This goes downhill a little bit. Don't take any deviations like this. Keep walking on the main road. So after walking on that tar road, I have reached a junction where we have this red color stage, and they have installed a Ganpati statue here. Hope that's visible. And from this junction, the forest checkpost is just a couple of minutes away. I can see more trekkers now. That's the Ganpati statue. So this is the monsoon rain. It will keep drizzling. It will rain non-stop for months together. And we as trekkers need to be prepared. So we're all wearing ponchos. That seems to be the forest checkpost. So I've reached the forest checkpost. So that's the store here at the forest checkpost. So this is the forest checkpost where they are checking our booking and cross-checking it with our ID as well. And I got a mini skate here, a small leech. I'm not sure from somewhere it was on my backside of the neck. So the moment I realized something was crawling, I immediately plugged it up and threw it down. That was a mini scare. I hope there are no more leeches which is going to attack me. The forest guard here told me that yesterday it was raining very heavily and today it is decent, not that heavy. But still, if you see, it's been drizzling and raining non-stop. So they give a guide for every 10 members. So if you're coming with 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 people, then you need to wait to form a group of 10 and go with one guide. You can hire one guide for a smaller group as well, but then you need to pay more per head, as the guide charges are around 1000 rupees. So from here, distance to peak is 4 kilometers, and next network is in 2 kilometers. Next water point is at 1.1 kilometer. It's mentioned take this route for the trek, and it's also mentioned Merthi Gudda trek information, and this is a signage installed by the Karnataka Forest Department. This is where we need to start our actual hike or trek from, and if you can see, it's raining heavily now. Time is now 9 AM. We have completed our all the formalities. So showed our booking ID, showed our ID card, and we got a guide. So we are a group of 8 now, 4 of us and 4 from another team. So generally they take 10 people in one group, but we don't have other members, so we can start. So 8 members, and we have paid 1000 rupees to the guide.
Starting point.
So this is where the trek starts. Sorry. So from here it is 4 kilometers non-stop continuous uphill. review from the start of the trek. Other team members are taking some snap. So initial few meters, I guess, is cemented or a paved path, and this is going through some private coffee plantation. We need to walk this section for a few 200-300 meters or so, and once we reach the base of the hill, that's when the proper ridge walk starts. So the rain has subsidized. So the rain has kind of stopped. It's drizzling a little bit. So we all are carrying salt and salt water, which we are going to use when, as and when the leeches attack us or get onto our body to suck our blood. This is the main problem in this area, or main problem during the monsoon trek. You have to worry about leeches, and it's always better to keep walking, not give a chance for the leeches to hop onto you. Don't go near the leaves or bushes or places where there is a lot of vegetation, because these leeches would be sitting on the leaves, and the moment you walk by them or besides them, they would hop onto us for a good meal. It's a pretty steady climb. It's a private area, and this passage is also going through a private area. So we continue our walk uphill on this trek. There's some fruits there when they're selling oranges and some type of melon, and I can see one more in the station where I guess we can get some water, tea, coffee, some beverages, I guess. There are houses here, so I believe those people who are staying at those houses, they have temporarily kept the landing point. So here road goes towards the left, but you should not take that path. You should continue walking on the path which you came. Basically follow the curvature of the road, but not take a complete new deviation. The path is muddy, slushy, and it's not that easy. It's uneven. So we continue our walk to the hill. The walk was rapid, very wide. The was very long. We just moved in. It had stopped. The rain stopped on that, but now slowly release. So this is the first checkpost which you reach. It's not really a checkpost, but a fencing. And the signage shows here we have walked 900 meters, about 1 kilometers of the trek. So we have another 4 kilometers left. And since this goes to some private property, there is some kind of fencing which you need to hop and come over this side. And once you come this side, just few meters into the walk, on the left side we see a big pond. Not that big, but a decent enough pond where all the rainwater seems to be getting collected. And that's the pond. So that's a pretty massive pond where all the rainwater seems to be getting collected. Stream here, and the so we have reached another fencing which we have to stop.
and cross. So that's the fencing number 2. I can see my fellow trekkers now. So this forestry section is kind of not getting over at all. It's been raining constantly from the time we are walking. The drizzle gets high, and then the pace of the rain goes down, and that's pretty much the standard for the day. But I hope very soon we will reach the starting point of the ridge section. So right now we are walking along the base of the Merthi Gudda Hill. We have not started climbing that hill as such, but we are on the way to the starting point of the ridge. That's my mic. As I'm having poncho and as it was raining, it was not taking my audio. So I stick it into the umbrella itself. So the mic is having magnet and it seems to be stuck pretty decently. I need to keep monitoring that. Oh wow, can you look at the first views along with me? The forest has given way to the open Shola grasslands. From here the ridge will start. Wow, so beautiful. All the hard work seems to have paid off. So we reached the next landmark. So it's saying we have walked 2 kilometers and reached the signage. From here it's another 2 kilometers. Another guide told 3 kilometers, around 2 to 3 kilometers, and we start the actual ridge walk from here. The rain is pretty much pouring now. I'm holding an umbrella. I've got the poncho as well. So you might be seeing the umbrella a little bit in the screen. So excuse me for that, because as it's raining so heavily, it's getting windy as well. So from here the leech problem shouldn't be there much, because any leech here would just fly away. And this is the actual ridge walk which we are doing now. The weather is great. You can't get a better monsoon trek than this. I had been to Gangadikal and that was raining a little bit, drizzling a little bit. Most of the time rain has stopped, but today superb weather, continuous rain. It is becoming windy as I climb up this hill. Some folks are saying what this guy is doing, but I'm trying to vlog or vlog. Just look at the views. Wow. I'm coming from Merthi Gudda. So, Merthi Gudda, sorry, and this give me the views, then you come the notes, and then I'm going to go. This is one. I'm going to go to the office. So we are walking up this bridge and I can hear it's very a lot more foggy. Can't even see what's in front of you, maybe 15 meters in front of you. But the ground here seems to be really flattened up now. There are no really steep climbs. Thank you. We have walked through a saddle now, a mini flat area between two mountain peaks, and it has become very windy. My umbrella is going in all directions, so now I am climbing the second peak. So there's another peak section It's not being getting over at all. A peaky section after peaky section, and there too it's not visible, it's completely foggy, so can't even recognize until we keep walking. Look at that, look at the gradient, completely foggy, high clouds. Okay, that one was pretty slippery, I was about to fall, but somehow I managed. Look at the white mountain glass. So now it's getting seriously foggy, and very soon. So navigate this slopey stony section very carefully. It's very skitty and slippery. How many is the route? I can't say. Another half a kilometer from here. Still climbing uphill with very low visibility. The rain has stopped again. Very slight drizzle. That's good. It's not that windy now. I guess another 400 meters to the peak. There was a mountain climbing accident a few days back. In K2, Pakistan, many mountain climbers have died due to the avalanche there. I'm dedicating this Meruthi Gudda summit climb to all those fallen mountain climbers. Rest their soul. Peace. So we reached the peak of the first hill, and now we need to go downhill. So it goes downhill and then again uphill to the main peak. And let me know if you see the main peak, completely hidden in fog. And look at the wind. So I hope you saw the crazy heavy winds. So I'm getting down. I guess this is called saddle. Let me check. Let me do some Google and find out. But a downhill between two mountain peaks. It's called saddle, I guess. So there's some water collected here. Trying to avoid that. Now I'm climbing the final summit of Merthi Gudda Hill trek. I believe another 200 to 300 meters, I suppose. The wind all of a sudden stopped. It came all of a sudden. It stopped all of a sudden. Those guys that I left behind, they are not visible at all. I hope you can make a little bit of one person there, but otherwise everyone else, they are covered in fog. I thought Meruthi Gudda would be a simple trek in this Kudremukh region, but it challenges you nevertheless. Can you hear that sound there? So I'm thinking that only in that saddle section, the downhill between these two peaks, that's where all the wind is concentrated, and that's where you have all the wind. And the moment you come this side, there's no wind. Wow, that's a cool discovery which I made just now. So folks, my plan is this type of pace. Walk at your own pace, better pace. You don't have to compete with other folks. Just take a pace and walk. getting windy again. Have I reached the summit? Is this the last view section? I've reached the summit of Merthi Gudda Hill trek. Look at that, smoke there. So I'm at the summit of Meruthi Gudda on the folks here. These are the folks who summited this morning, and this is the landmark or milestone. It's pretty old. Oh, that's the temple. There's a temple at the summit. From the other side I thought it's a landmark.